No,
but do you like cheesecake?
Not really.
Oh. Not really? Right, out.
Get her out of it. What's going on, everyone? Right, welcome back to Tutorial Tuesdays. I'm Joe Maruzzi, and today we're going to be smashing a Biscoff cheesecake with an Oreo base. Decoration wise, I've drafted in some help in the form of Dad v Girls. Now, you may have seen their YouTube channel. They're battling it out over pretty much anything, massively competitive. But today is the battle of the Pleesecakes. So let's meet Dad v Girls. I'm going to introduce you to them individually. First up, Joe, do you want to come in? We've got Joe, we've got Sarah.
Hello.
We've got Casey, and then we've got Grace.
Hi.
I'm impressed that you remember.
Yeah, me too.
No, I was sweating over that.
I just about remember their names.
And we've got two other ones that can't be here, yeah?
And they are?
Yeah.
Sophie
Yeah.
and Chloe.
Yes.
Well done.
Right. Shall we make a Pleesecake?
We
Yeah,
are
please.
so excited.
I'm so excited.
Yeah? Let's get going then. Right. Let's go. Right. So first up is the base. We're going to do an Oreo base today. So we've got 400 grams of Oreo biscuits, yeah, in a bowl.
Yeah, that's good.
And we've got 30 grams of salted butter that we're going to whack in the mic for about 30 seconds. Right, grab a spatula and we're going to pour the butter into the biscuit.
We'll just whack it straight in.
Whack it straight in.
Into where?
Into the Oreo biscuit.
Oh.
Into that pot of mud there.
That mud, yeah. Does everyone like Oreo?
That's it.
All in, give it a little scoop out.
We literally polished off a whole pack of Oreos.
Oh mate, so they do a double stuffed one as well, don't
Yeah.
they? They're naughty.
I like the thick
Nice
ones
to
because I feel
eat.
like I'm not
Nice.
eating as much, but then I just
It's a mental thing, isn't it? Right, so you want to coat the whole biscuit, making sure the butter gets every bit of the biscuit. It's going to be the glue that holds the base in place, basically.
So the whole base is going to be Oreo, is it?
The whole base.
Oh wow.
It'll be like one giant Oreo cookie, yeah?
Did you take the white cream out of the biscuit?
No.
So you've just
Still in there.
literally
So the white cream inside the centre is going to act
So what did you do? Just crumble it with your hands, or did you just put it in like a blender?
Yeah, we put it in a food processor.
Yeah.
Right, so grab your tin. This is a springform tin, so it's got a loose bottom base, and it's going to help you get it out of the end, basically. And all we're going to do is just pour it all into the cake tin. And now, you've got like a little stamper. It's a meat stamper, but you can use pretty much anything at home. You can use a mug or a tumbler. Make sure it's a sturdy tumbler or it's going to smash into your base. And all you're going to do is just slowly work around, turning the cake tin, trying to make it as level as possible, yeah?
Okay.
So like this.
Turn the cake tin.
Okay, cool.
Because I'm spreading it out.
Yeah, so you can see that little gap there. You want to try and like put a bit more biscuit over there. That's it, so it gets down the edge
Oh, I feel
nice
like
and
I was
tight.
slightly wonky.
Yeah. What do you do
Pat
if
it,
it's like
twist it.
on a hill? Like,
Right, so you've got to just keep working around, turning the cake tin slowly.
Kind of
And what I do, if you look,
Yeah.
I kind of work, I sort of push into the, from the outside in, like that.
okay.
Oh, that's just the lemon.
Right, is that kind of level?
Yeah.
Don't worry about the
You've
edges.
got like a little mini level to get.
I think so.
I reckon that looks
I
pretty
think
good.
now
Like
that
that?
I've taken
Bit
control,
like
it
that?
is.
Yeah? That's looking
Yeah.
good.
That's
Do you reckon?
good.
Like that? Bit like that?
Right, let me see.
Yeah.
Yeah, good?
But yeah, I think it's good enough.
Well, this is not as good as yours.
No.
It's not, nah, not as good, not as good.
Watch closely. You learn.
Right, we're gonna neaten up the edge now. Just grab a spoon. Yeah. And what we're gonna do is just turn it on its side like that, facing down, like that, and we're just gonna run it round the edge, which is gonna neaten up the edge, like so it's like a perfect crisp edge. Like this, yeah, like that.
Yeah. Right.
That's it. So you see where that point is up there, and then that's go right around the corner. So satisfying.
Like this, look.
Like this.
Yeah, exactly like that. And all you do is just turn the cake tin as it goes, kind of thing.
So what's this? What is
So it's just going to
this
make that
doing?
nice
Just make
crisp
it
edge, so it's
proper.
not like all
Yeah.
like biscuits coming up the sides. Yeah.
Ah, I see. Yeah.
Looking good?
Yeah, looking very good.
Sweet.
Yep.
Sweet. Right, we're going to whack that in the freezer for about 10 minutes to set now. So the filling. We're going to do a Biscoff filling, really easy to make, really simple. You can get all the ingredients from your local supermarket. First up is the cream cheese. So it's got cream, straight into the bowl, pour it in.
So it's
It is quite top heavy. So this is just normal soft cream cheese, basically.
I was gonna say it's gonna sound stupid, but you know, like we always debated, like is cheesecake actually
cheese?
It doesn't taste like cheese, but
It's cheese, soft cream cheese.
this is actually what it is.
Yeah, it's like carrot cake. Like, there's carrot in it, isn't it?
I don't know, is there?
Well, yeah, you
I
can do it.
mean,
I love
like-
carrot cake.
Yeah.
I love carrot cake, but like Casey, you don't like cheese, do you?
No,
Do
but
you like cheesecake?
not really.
Not really. Right, out.
This
Get her out of
is
here.
awkward. Next up, we've got a bit of sugar in your cup, in your mug. Pour that in. Double cream. So you've got your sugar in there, you've got soft cheese,
Okay.
Chuck it in.
sugar
Yeah?
in there. Using a spatula, just make sure you get all the excess out.
Get that excess out.
Excess. Right, so Biscoff spread in. Yeah, got that
Oh,
in.
my favourite part.
This is.
Oh, that's really thick. Look at that. One lump or two.
Wow.
To mix it.
You're just gonna whack that on the mixer.
Okay.
Get it in there.
Turn it off.
Turn it off. Pushing that button on the back again, and just scrape off all the stuff on the blade or the paddle, whatever it's called.
Should we get the spatula?
Yeah, you got one there.
Oh, okay.
I can't reach it. You have to
Yeah,
do
I
it.
do.
And then just,
put
I
it-
normally just
put it
take it off the mixer
Oh.
and then just
Take it off the mixer.
give it a little mix down the sides to make sure it's all combined.
Oh wow, that looks good.
That's enough. What do you think?
So the first cheesecake you ever made,
Yeah.
how bad was it?
It was, so the first cheesecake was a peanut butter and Nutella one, and it was like a pancake. So it was about that thin,
Really?
and it was pretty unimpressive. Pretty unimpressive.
Good
But
flavours,
it
though.
tasted really good.
I was gonna say, I
Tasted
love
really,
peanut butter
really
and
good.
chocolate.
Now what we're gonna do,
Sorry.
we're gonna pour in that whole Biscoff Crumb.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. So that's just crushed up.
See how your
biscuit.
face lit up when you did that, so I'll let you do it.
Just gonna do it nice and slow.
And now that's going back on the mixer, yeah?
Oh, okay.
Oh my gosh, that smells delicious.
Yeah.
You smell that?
Back on the mixer.
Right, let's stick that back in.
Right, literally for about 20 seconds we're going to put this on for, because if we over mix it, the biscuit kind of starts dissolving, so we want to keep it all nice and crunchy.
Ah,
basically.
okay.
So literally, so we're just going to go on a light one, probably about 2.
No, two.
Yeah?
Yep.
Yours is really fast, isn't it? Right, that is pretty much it, yeah? That's all we need.
That's it.
Yeah, done.
And up. So base out the freezer, we're going to fill it now. So grab your bowl, using a spatula. We're going to do it in little batches, so like about that much on the spatula, yeah? And all you're going to do is bring it in on the side, yeah? And pull it towards you, like that. You want to ensure that you're getting down into that little right angle corner, yeah?
Yeah.
And again, turn it like that,
No.
like this, look, put it, and just pull it in like that, yeah?
Don't let it go over.
Think about where the base meets the tin and you want to get it.
That's the gap.
Yeah.
Right in that angle, right in that
Break
corner.
You're making it over explode. I told you had too much. Okay, I will.
Just little bits. See all those gaps there, like that?
Oh
You
yeah.
want to like put it in there, that's it. Pull it in quite tough. It's all frozen, so
What do you do about like the bits that are around the edge?
we're gonna clean it up in a minute.
Okay.
So just work round. You've got the whole way round.
So once you've gone all the way around,
Now we can start filling the middle, yeah? So again, gonna kind of take dollops and just make sure there's no gaps, pushing it down.
Yeah,
So
that's it.
that's it.
I'm going to do a bit while you are watching me.
I'm alright. I feel like you've actually doing it quite well this one.
I felt like it was almost a compliment.
Now we're going to neaten it up, yeah?
Yeah. I'm sorry, I'm doing everything you go. This is it.
Yeah. Ready?
This is all me. This is the best
So
bit.
this is where we're going to make it look nice and level and flat.
No, this is where we're doing it.
I
All right.
know.
Right, guys.
So let me show you first, yeah? So what you're going to do, I kind of hold it on the edge here. Don't drop it,
Oh my gosh, it's heavy.
yeah? And all you're going to do is just from the centre, push down slightly and pull out. And just work your way around again, yeah? This is ensuring there's no air bubbles.
That's it. Now you're doing it. Well done.
That's it. This is just to get all the air bubbles out, yeah? That is just to ensure all the air bubbles are out, basically, so it doesn't collapse.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And all we're going to do, again, this stage, is just working little motions across the tin. So just like a corner here, you're just going to wipe that off. Keep your bowl close to you so you can just wipe off the excess. And again,
I'm still doing this bit.
just turn it slightly like that from here, turn it again, wipe it off like that. Wipe it into the bowl, turn it again, wipe it off. Don't try and go across the whole tin, basically.
Okay.
It doesn't look the same.
Like that,
It doesn't look the same, she said.
like that, and just wipe it across.
Oh
Yeah.
no.
Okay, ready? I think we're good to start now.
I can come and help, yeah. So just pull it across like that.
Oh, look at that. It's got little.
Yeah, I think that's good.
Can I do this?
Yeah,
Yeah,
I'm
do
gonna
what?
come and show you how to get rid of those.
Okay, so you're gonna go.
Right, to neaten up the edge, all you're going to use is your index finger and your thumb, pinch them together like that, and you're going to use your thumb and just run.
Oh, wow.
That's going to neaten up the edge, yeah? Like that.
A bit of teacher spell. I feel like our middle bit doesn't. It looks like.
Don't worry, we're gonna top it with stuff.
Okay.
So it's going to be
that's good.
covered in chocolate.
Yes.
You can hide the flaws in there.
Yeah. Now that's going to go into the freezer for about 4 hours to set. So normally we show you how to decorate these cakes, but today we're going to send you over to the Dad v Girls YouTube channel to see the battle commence. If you like this video, subscribe, like, comment, and stay tuned for the next tutorial. Big up.